Hi guys, my name is Carlos Fernandes. I'm the head of Oceanography Division here at the Portuguese Hydrographic Institute, and I'm going to talk about a little bit of Radar on Raio project and how we end up adding one more station to the Portuguese network. This is the Portuguese Monitoring Network, as we like to call it, MONIZE, and this network has been assembled piece by piece, project by project, since of course it was impossible to get everything at once. And the last one was Radar on Raio project, funded by POCTEP, where one brand new HF radar station was installed at Leça da Palmeira. The Radar on Raio project was built on four main topics: consolidation of a cross-border HF radar network, where one new station was assembled for Leça da Palmeira, and the recovery of the Cabo Finisterre antenna due to the fact that it was hit by a lightning a few years ago. Data validation and management. Of course, we have to access the accuracy of the surface current velocities. Spatial data infrastructure, because everything must be compatible with the Raio Observatory. And finally, products for end users, like this brand new and wonderful surface current map covering the north part of Galicia and a little bit of Portugal. The last event worth noting was this virtual oil exercise that we carried out last September in Caminha, where in Tecmar, Setmar, IIM, Inertec, Hydrographic, and Qualitas instruments got together and deployed a bunch of drifters, coastal and oceans, to validate the MyCoast oil spill tools and, of course, validate the currents gathered by HF radars. Getting back to the Portuguese Monitor Network, this is the actual status of the network. The north part of Galicia and the north part of Portugal is covered. I call the attention to the fact there is a gap here due to the fact that the Finisterre station is not yet fully operational. The Lisbon area is full covered, and Algarve also. I don't know why, but we don't have access to Sagres and Alfonsina station, but Algarve area is full covered, I can assure you that. Since our main purpose of this is getting data and products to the end users, one that we are developing now is filling the gaps using the OMA method, since we want to introduce this kind of tools to our search and rescue operations. On the top figure, you can see the radial maps on top of the total ones, and there are two major gaps here, south of Faro. We have very interest in this area because there are a lot of accidents during the winter time. And the figure below, you can see the final result after OMA method go through data, and this can resolve the surface currents along the coastline in a very fine way. So I think this work is very promising. To validate the OMA method, we deployed around 140 virtual drifters. The blue ones follow the standard total vectors, and the green ones follow the OMA vectors. As I told you before, I think this work is very promising because you can see the green ones follow and resolve the currents along the coastline, right here on the major gap. And south of Mazagon, they will be divided due to this feature here. And that's it, folks. This is all partners from Radar on Raio. Okay, bye-bye.